Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hey kids, let's draw a creamy avocado. Start with a green oval shape. Add a stem and a slight curve. Get ready to create your own tasty avocado art.
Fantastic. Cool. Fantastic. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.